Okay, just came back from the thrift store. Yay! Because I bought one of these. Possibly as old as me or something like that, they say. I don't know. It's a Panasonic palm sight. You know, the Palmcoder VHS C. This camera is old. I do not have any tapes, but today we're gonna film with it without any tape directly to a USB drive. Yes, the actual footage from here will be recorded directly on this just regular thumb drive. So it doesn't need to be 3.0, by the way. We're not for filming 4K, but this happens to be. And what I did, I bought it on this bag for $24.99. Now you cannot get any cheaper than that. You get a nice leather bag if you're into that. And oh, one good thing, it comes with a power, so you can actually plug it directly. Because the battery's probably not the greatest, you know. And I'm gonna use that probably. We literally still have the user's manual. Got that PVL 501 for one of those is this camera. One of these is this camera. Now, one thing I didn't get, the guy didn't have, was the remote control. And I didn't push for it that much. Nah, it was, you know, one of those private thrift stores, family owned, so what could I say? And the camera is this here. Just normal, fully functional for its camera, of course, its capacity. 20 times zoom lens or optical, and 150 times digital. This is where things go in from. Has a nice microphone, digital EIS stabilization. Now that is kind of okay if you get one of these fluid head tripods, this style here. These are called fluid head. These are the best for this type of camera. But it's okay. I got an old tripod with an old camera. Well, makes sense. So now all we need here is, besides putting the battery on and turn it on, you need one of these RCA cables that we used to have that goes from this jack to the RCA itself. And the reason being is that that's where is the AV out. So if you get an old one or you find an old camera, make sure it has this AV out, or at least some type of to RCA out, and pretty much that's it. I don't have a tape. I don't need a tape. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this thing right here. So what this does, takes the signal directly from the camera. As you see, I can just plug it here. Takes that signal directly from the camera and records it on the USB directly. I don't need to do anything except for press this button here, and everything I see on the camera viewfinder will be recorded on this USB in real time. You don't need to press save or anything after. Just how it works. So let's try it. And let's make a 90s video, or 90s looking video. Now, the battery's been charging for a while and it's all a bit warm. Nice. Oh, tough winter. And let's just plug it in. I don't need this eye finder either. I just need to plug the battery on. That's all. Like this. I heard something. It's on off position right now. And look at this thing. And look at that. That's where the tape would go. But as I said, we don't have a tape. But that's where it would go. Anyway, let's turn it on. We turn on camera, and the little screen comes out. Look, check tape, of course. And let me get rid of these. I don't like these when they used to have these titles. I don't know if anybody remembers that, but if you just click a few times, it will go out. And then we click display to remove even more things from there. As you see, we removed even the battery if you want to. At that, I'm gonna keep the battery, but and that's it. You can zoom in like that and zoom out. Look at that. It actually has a pretty good focus, gotta say. Look at that. And I can zoom out quick. Nice. So now what I'm gonna do is just plug it in like this. And I have to find something to power up this capture thingy here. If I had a smaller USB, that would be probably even better. But you get the point. And we just plug the battery. One of these normal power banks will run it for hours, so I don't really care much about it. Plug this in, and it will give us an indicator here when it's ready. Just like that. Boom. See the blue light? And now, all I have to do here is click this. When it goes green, it is recording. That's it. And if you want to see, for example, the footage in real time for some reason, besides the viewfinder itself, right now it's recording whatever this viewfinder sees, you can throw the video directly from the HDMI to a monitor if you want to. But let me record something real quick. That's the cool part of it. Damn, I feel like I'm a grandpa now, showing pre-World War stuff. I'm just joking. Anyway, let me get this here. Now, I noticed one thing. This jack here was moving earlier. I hope it's not gonna mess up the video that we're filming, and we're being very extremely professionals here. And as you see, this is just cute stuff. Don't worry about it. And let's see what it does. Boom. Now we are recording. Let me release a little bit more pressure here because I don't need it to be this strong. A little bit here. And look at that. Right now I'm doing a very professional job of recording with this camera. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the viewfinder there, but that's what we're basically doing. It looks like I'm from the news channels, trying to get to someone's nerves, asking them questions. Let me zoom in on that thing there slowly to make it as filmic as possible. Look at that. Now, if I was daytime outside, would be even better. Look at this thing. Now we reached the max, looks like. Look, an old camera filming an old camera. What could go wrong with that? Look at this thing. We're doing a great job recording. And everything is just powered by its own battery right now. And the capture thingy that we put down there is powered by a power bank. That's it. I can take it on the field right now, actually, if I wanted to. But I just don't care that much. I'm just trying to show you what is possible with these old cameras. And right now at this point, the audio and video is coming from this camera, being filmed directly on this USB drive right here. Actually, let me put the USB there so you can see it. Making a pro movie right now that nobody has ever seen and nobody will ever see probably, but basically this is how it's done. Boom. Look at that. I can record all around and have fun with it right now, which is exactly what I am doing. Let me just do the lens again. Does it look too cool? Look at that. Oh, come on. I can do this all day. Physically moving lens. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. This is the dream. This is the dream right now. And we're living it together across the world, I guess. But, you know, and this is the rest of the camera itself. Some of you probably have never seen one of these in real life, and it's actually a great thing to remember these real what made the camera industry the camera industry. That's what made it. These things. And besides that, just enjoy a beautiful shot of this million-year-old camera that still somehow manages to work and do its job. Look at that. Really nice. And you have the playback. If you have a tape, you have the buttons right under here, under the eye finder or eye view, whatever you want to call that. This is where still shots would be to pause, play, fast forward, rewind, and stop. That's cool. Come on. You cannot tell me this is not cool. And you have the vision adjustment right here. Manually, you can slide this for the lens that's inside here. If you have this active, yeah, the camera is not seeing it, but it's active. And you can adjust the view there. As you see, it moves a little bit depending on your eyesight. I mean, you can't get any better than this. And you saw how easy it is to put everything together. Just like that. So go ahead and take your camera out. One idea that I'm going to give you, it's fully free if you made it this far in the video. If you're old enough to have children and you have your own childhood videos from the 90s, film your family again with one of these cameras from the 90s and merge those videos on the editor, and you have your childhood next to your children's childhood. I think it looks cool. I don't know. I think it looks cool. Just my personal opinion. With that said, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!